In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move text box in Canva. This is a quick and beginner-friendly skill that makes a big difference when you're laying out any design, whether it's a social post, a presentation slide, a flyer, or a thumbnail. By the end, you'll know exactly how to position your text so it looks clean, balanced, and intentional. First, open your project in Canva. This just means you're working inside the design you want to edit, on the canvas where all your elements live. You might already have a heading, subheading, or paragraph on the page. In Canva, those bits of text are contained inside a text box, and that text box is what will move. Next, click the text box you want to reposition. When it's selected, you'll see a clear outline around it, usually with little handles on the corners and edges. If you click and see a blinking cursor inside the words, that means you're editing the text itself. That's okay. Simply click once more on the box's edge or the background, and then click the text again to select the entire box, not the text inside. You'll know it's ready to move when that bounding box appears. Now, move it. Place your cursor over the selected text box, click and hold, and then drag it to where you want it to go. As you drag, keep your mouse button pressed down so the box stays attached to your cursor. You can move it anywhere on the canvas, higher, lower, left, or right. You may notice helpful guides or lines appear while you're dragging. Those are there to help you align the text with the center or edges of your design. When the box looks right where you want it, release the mouse button to drop it into place. Take a moment to look at the spacing around the text and how it sits next to images, shapes, or other elements. If it feels a little off, simply click, hold, and drag again until it feels balanced. This is a simple action, but it's how you fine-tune the layout and create a polished look. That's all there is to it. Open your project, select the text box so the whole box is highlighted, and click and drag to move it around the canvas. Practice this a few times, and you'll get a feel for smooth, precise placement that makes your design look intentional and professional.